So I have this old MacBook here. I will show you the specs. So here are the specifications of my old MacBook. Hey, we can't run Windows. Oh, let's fix that. So now I'm creating an installation USB stick here. Just making sure I copy my drivers. My TPM and secure boot disable, and this one I don't really need, but handy to have, I guess. Just backup. So then I'm going to reboot and see if it even boots. So my Windows 11 disk. Let's see what happens. So I didn't want to boot from my USB, but I went straight into Windows 10 and I'm able to install it. Well, at least it gives me a few options to install using my disk. So let's see how this goes. Creating another install disk with these settings instead of NTFS there. Seen something about FAT32, so I'm trying that one. Well, it starts the Windows 11 installation, as you can see. So okay, so let's change this into UK. Keyboard is still US though. Next. Okay, so I don't have a key. Okay, so let's fix this. So here are the values in there. This should work, but you never know. So after these values, I'm able to continue. So I want to keep my files and settings. Oh, okay, so I can't do that. So do it on that one. Next. Okay, let's see. So the installation is currently at 83%. It might actually work. So it's getting ready. It will ask me before which Windows I want to start, which is weird, but I selected the second one, didn't know if that was the correct one, but yeah, it's getting ready. And it's definitely not a Windows 10 logo. So the computer restarted. It says just a moment. So, first look of Windows 11 on a non-supported machine. This is actually a Quad-Through Duo, which is pretty old. Didn't even support Windows 10 officially. Like you see in my previous video, I installed Windows 10, so now it's time to test Windows 11. Skip. I'm not even sure if it's going to run stable or if it's going to run at all, but the fact that I have an installation, that's pretty cool. So I'm just going to enter my key here, which you can't see, and then I will continue. So I'm connected. Just checking for updates. Really don't want to install updates because updates always messes up my system. So I'm just going to check and see if I can continue, or maybe do updates later or something. Just so I can choose what to install and what not to install. Especially because updates, especially in Windows, takes forever. So set up for personal use. Next. Okay, so I have to cancel the video again and sign in here. So I signed in, I created the key. I can set some experience, which I really don't want to do now. So skips. Back up. Sure, why not? No thank you. I really don't use this computer a lot, just for testing, so don't need all that stuff. So here we are, back in Windows 11 actually. You can see here it's all different, and this is how the start menu looks. I will see if I can select my settings just to show you. System, I think it is. System, about, and here you have it. Windows 11 on my, well, product key and device ID doesn't matter anyway. Nothing is activated, as you can see. It's Windows 11 Pro developer version, and it runs. So I'm just going to see if the, back in the day you could set the system as best performance. So I'm going to check if I can do that. Change system settings here, and it's actually running pretty well. For Windows and of course we do. It's not the fastest, of course, but it's running. Still need to install sound drivers, I think. Yeah, I do. So I'm going to do that now. So I install the sound driver, which means sound. The only problem is with these computers is that when it installs the video driver, it crashes. So I'm going to try that now and restart the computer and restart and see if it crashes or not. So as you can see, the same thing happened compared to Windows 10. So I'm going to uninstall the driver, and then I'm going to use the patch that I had before and see if that works. So I removed the driver for the video card. I have sound working though. Oops, key, speakers. See, that works. Just not the video driver yet, so I just am trying to fix that, because when I install these drivers, it crashes, so I need to fix it first. Well, here it is. Well, I'm installing some stuff, but here it is, a working version of Windows 11 on my old MacBook. So, sound, video is working, everything, installed updates, no problems at all. So, just go to play with this and see how it is.